Welcome again. Now we will see HCL Tech share latest news. Actually, latest news, it is a sad news. One employee from HCL Tech company due to heart attack, he has died. And another good news was for the last 5 days, HCL Tech was positive only. Now in this video, you will see HCL Tech share price targets. Next high when HCL Tech share dividend details, resistance and support levels, P ratios, and also beta value. What is the beta value of HCL Tech share? As I told, HCL Tech share latest news. IT companies are having a positive vibe due to action share results was very good. Now I am Ganesh Babu, GB Investors Zone. Now we will see the PE ratio. PE ratio of Nifty IT index is 34 and beta is nothing but it is the volatility index. How much volatility have Nifty IT and HCL Tech is having. HCL Tech is having 1.05. It's nothing but if Nifty IT index moves by 100 points up, HCL Tech will move by 105 points. If like that. So next dividend yield is 1.87 for Nifty IT index. For HCL Tech, it is 3.01. It is very good ratio. So we have seen PE ratio will be 34 is for IT index. For HCL Tech, it is 30 only. So comparatively, if you see, it is better. Beta is high and PE ratio is less, and dividend yield compared to IT index very almost double. So now we will see the debt to equity ratio. What is debt to equity ratio? Nothing but how much loan and liabilities they are having. It's under one only. Normally, IT companies don't have any debt, so it is okay, good parameter only. Now we will see the dividend ratio. Dividend ratio, as I told, 3%, and last dividend they paid August 1. And you can see the history 2017, from 2017 under 10 rupees, then around 20, 15 rupees, then 21, 45 rupees, then again 45 and 45, around 30 to 45 rupees for the last 3 years. So it is good only. Dividend ratio is good and P ratio is also comparatively less than the IT index. So it is a better pick in HCL Tech, I believe. So now we will see the next target, next high when. Disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered share market consultant. This is purely for education purpose video only. This is based on supply and demand concept, no indicator, no noise, 94% success rate. This is the benefits you can have watching my channel. When you come again, definitely you'll come again to refer my levels. At that time, don't forget to subscribe and like because this is having 94% success rate. Now we'll see the next targets. What are all the next targets? Just we will go into the trading view app, and now we will see the trend line first. What is the trend? If you see the trend for the last 1 year, uptrend only, 6 month uptrend only, 3 month uptrend, 1 month also sideways, 1 month. So now we'll see the where it is HCL Tech right now today. Actually, there was a stop loss hunting line at 1819. So just after touching the stop loss hunting line at 1819, it has reversed. So this is red line, 1 day trend line, downward trend line. Today it has bounced above the 1 day trend line, given a breakout above the trend line. If HCL Tech share falls, it may come and take support at my demand zone 1. We can see 1802. If again HCL Tech share falls below the demand zone 1, then it will come to demand zone 2 at 1784, below which there is a major demand zone at 1764, and also there is a uptrend line, 1 day uptrend line. So it will be a very good support. We have to take entry. High risk investors, they can take entry once demand zone 1. From demand zone 1, if it comes, if there's a bounce back, how to take entry, which method, that I will explain at the end of the video. Don't forget to see with my own chart, other shares chart I will explain. And demand zone. So again, low risk investors, if it comes near to demand zone 2 and there's a bounce back, or major demand zone 2, low risk investors, they can make exposure entry. So now, what will be the new targets? All-time high targets that you will see now. Before that, these are all the shares. In Reliance Infrastructure, we will see the live example how to take entry and exit and all. These are all the shares. Mr. Anand Srinivasan Kotta's list. HCL Tech share is in the list of Kotta's list of Mr. Anand Srinivasan Kotta's list. These are all the shares where I have done the supply and demand concept. And main thing one you have to see is Nifty crash, world market crash expected very soon. Regarding that, You have to see my video also. Don't forget to see that. And now we will see the what will be the new high. And after that, how to take entry. This is the all-time high 1828. If HCL Tech gives a breakout above the stop loss something line, then it will touch all-time high. Above which, if there is a big candle and strong volume breakout, then the next target will be around 1859. Again, HCL Tech share if it gives a breakout big candle and strong volume, again the next target will be new all-time high very near to 1923. So now we will come to know how to take entry. Low risk investors, once the all-time high is gives a breakout, then at the time they can take an entry. So low risk investors. Now how to take entry on a live chart only. Reliance Infra. If you see Reliance Infra, I published a video. You can see the 1 hour chart. You can see on this day, blue line, vertical line. You can see 24th I gave, and you can see what I have told. There is a stop loss hunting line, and exactly you can see here it took entry demand zone. At demand zone, there was a bounce back. You can see the wick from where again it bounced and came to stop loss hunting bear hunting line. From there again you can see it came down entry. This is where you have to take the entry. You can see at demand zone 1 it took, we have to take the entry. Again it came and again support. Again it went to demand zone 2. You can see from demand zone 1 it came down to demand zone 2. So either you have to take a demand entry at demand zone only. If there's a bounce back, you can see the big wick you can see form. Once wick is formed, you can consider for entry. Now you can see this is the entry level. Then what happened? Again demand zone 1, it gave a breakout and above exit. Here you have to exit if you require. This is stop loss, black color stop loss hunting line. So again it is coming down and it is taking entry exactly at my demand zone 1. You can take entry if you require. You can see exit. You can see entry at demand zone. Entry demand zone 1. Only if there's a bounce back at entry zones, demand zones, you have to make entry. How it is roaming around my stop loss hunting line and demand zones. Further example at the end of the video, another example I will do. So please like, share. If you want 94% success rate, then you have to watch my YouTube channel. Around more than 150 shares like this I have given. Even when the Nifty crash will come, that you can see in my playlist. Thank you.